Oh, you tell them why. Why do you have cream on your eye?
There's mosquito flying in the school. And kagat me.
Kagat ka. Ayun.
He yelled on me.
Huh?
He yelled at me.
He landed on you. That's right. What is she drinking? What are you drinking? It's the Lux Kids strawberry drink. It's this one. She likes it. You like it? You like strawberry? She's not a model for it, by the way. She just really likes it. What's the plan for today, Felice? What are you doing though today? Spend time with mommy.
Mommy, I'm doing the game.
Okay, you do the game.
Mommy, I'm doing the game. Mommy's gonna kick him and kick, and Mommy kick and kick and kick.
Felice, you're so big na daw. Yes. Where is your daddy daw? Where's daddy daw? At work. That's right. He's working hard because... Why is daddy working? Because?
Ata.
Why is he working?
Ata.
Ata.
Ata means Ata where he goes.
Yeah, sorry. I just woke up kasi nakauwi kami sa bahay. Hindi pa na midnight. Nakauwi kami mga 3 a.m. na from taping. From lock-in taping. Mommy was gone for 3 days. I cannot read all the way.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, start to
You wanna play now?
Yes.
How about we say bye-bye na to them and then we play?
Mommy, I want to talk to him. I want to talk to the camera.
Okay, you wanna talk to the camera?
It's on the tree.
Okay, fine.
Mommy, I want to show us and we're playing.
You want to show that we're playing? Oh my gosh, lalaking vlogger. You want to be artista?
Yes. We're not done We're not done in the fall. We're not done.
Sabi.
We're not. Mommy, may fine fog.
I know. I have to take that out. So what do you want to do today?
Take it out.
No, after playing the frog game, what do you want to do with mommy? Do you want to go out? You want to go out or you want to stay home?
Stay home.
Ano ba talaga? You want to go out or stay home?
Go out.
You make up your mind.
I love.
You want to go out or stay home?
Cannot take at the fall.
Oh, answer mommy. You want to go out or stay home?
Go out.
Last chance. Do you want to go out or stay home?
Stay out.
Stay out. Nagalo na, Felice. The question is, do you want to... Yan, tuloy pati ako nalito. Do you want to go out or stay home?
Go out.
Last question.
That's Kristen.
Do you want to go out or stay home?
Go out.
Oh yeah, she wants to go out.
Because I'm with Daddy.
You want to go out with daddy? You want to visit daddy? You want to go to daddy's work? Or do you want mommy and Felice to bond? Wait lang, baby. Check, taking it out.
I'll take it out too, Mommy.
Okay, so if you want to go out, do you want... What do you want to do outside?
Play with Dad.
Play with Daddy. But Daddy is still at work.
I don't know.
I don't know what to do. Do you want to try to go...
At Mommy.
Do you want... Ano pwedeng gawin? What do you want to do? Do you want to do pottery?
I'll go Disneyland.
Disneyland? Oh my golly! But Disneyland is far away.
We need a car.
We need a car? We don't just need a car. We need a plane. We have to ride a plane.
It's so scary. It's so scary.
So scary, the plane? You've ridden a plane a bunch of times.
And the passenger.
The seatbelt. As long as you're wearing a seatbelt, it's not as scary. So other than Disneyland, where do you want to go?
Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
No, wala rin sa Pilipinas. Ba't kasi wala rin sa Pilipinas? Do you want... Hirap naman itong tanggal. Do you want to go to the mall?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No.
I want to Disneyland.
Disneyland talaga. Okay, we will... Not today though, but we will try to go there soon.
Oh. Let me speak a rock.
How about...
I speak a frog.
Let's pick a frog. Or you roll the dice. You roll the dice.
Okay, this is a dice.
Mm-hmm.
I hear. Mama, where the dice? I want you.
Oh, what number did you get? Did you count?
I got this.
You count. Let's count.
Mommy, I count the word the
Oh, how many nga?
Trina, I find now.
They're gonna see you mad. You'll be mad. Okay, you put na 5.
No,
Or
Mommy.
3.
Trina.
5 or 3?
Oh. It's moving, Mommy.
It's wobbling.
Oh no. Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm moving. Mommy. Mommy, get this one on top. I'm gonna get this one and here. It's moving. You try, Mom. You try.
How many are you putting?
Trina.
3 na. Okay, all done.
Not yet. Not yet.
Mommy's gonna roll the dice now.
Not yet. It's my turn.
Didn't you take a turn already?
Yes.
Oh, then it's Mommy's turn.
Not yet.
We
It's
take
my
turns.
turn.
After you, Mommy, and then you, and then Mommy.
I need to go first. I have to first, Mommy. I'm not done
Oh,
yet.
don't try. I have to explain to you, okay?
Mommy, I'm not done yet.
Okay, Mommy's gonna give you her turn. But the next time, it has to be you, Mommy. Okay? Okay? Is that a deal?
See? What's that noise? I'm going to keep this now.
Oh, don't get mad.
I'm going to keep this.
Okay. Don't get mad. Uh-oh. Okay, that's not good enough.
I'm going to keep this now.
Yes, we will. Hold on. Mommy, I'll hug you first, okay? I keep it, okay? I'll help you. Hindi
Don't
kasha yan.
help me, Mom. Don't help me.
You don't want help?
Because I'm getting mad.
Do you want to be by yourself first?
Yeah.
Ow! Ow! Please. That hurts. Hey. Okay. That's enough. Hey. Hey. Look at mommy first. You breathe first. Ay, nako. Please. You want to be by yourself first? Can mommy hug you? No? Are you mad at mommy? Why? I'll still hug you, okay? No? Oh, you don't hug. Okay, I'll leave you, okay? And then mommy will come back. Oh, what do you want? Should mommy help you? Okay, I'll leave you here. I'll leave you here first. Do you want that? Iwan kita muna? Hmm? Please? Do you want me to stay here? I'll leave you here first. Yes. Can mommy help you now? Okay. Oh, hug.
Yeah.
No?
I know what it is I want to do.
Okay.
Mommy, I'm not done yet.
You want to play some more?
Not yet.
No more? No more. Fix it na. Put it in the box. Okay. We'll clean up. Come on. You help mommy clean up. Here's what you do. Look. Take it out. Put it inside.
Mommy, it's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. It's
I
an
think we should put it here. Yeah? Do you want to put the frog here? So it's all in one bag. That's not how you do it. Isha Kasha, baby. Cannot be an umbrella. Like that one. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. Oh, you help mommy. Can you put everything in the box?
It's an umbrella.
Or I think, baby, we don't have to put it in the box. Put everything here na lang. See? I'll put that here. The big one. Yeah, put it here. Does it fit?
No.
Let's try. I'll try, okay? Wait. Don't force it. Slowly. There, it fits.
Mommy,
Yeah. And then we put it in the
I
box.
just put it a big one in.
No, you don't want it in the big one? You don't want the big one there? Okay, hold on. Baka it might break, baby. Where do you want to put the big one? There?
Mommy, only the frog, Mommy.
Only the frog. Okay. Where should we put the other one?
And then box.
Wait, this is not done yet, but I'll put it there na lang, okay? You put it in the box, one by one. Okay. That's a good one. Okay, how about this one?
Mommy, just put it here. Only the small one.
Okay, so it's separated?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, now you put it there, and what happened next?